welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up one of my favorites, long-time box on the channel, Vellabox. So I actually have the August box and also the July box to open. July was a really crazy month. I never got around to it. So we're gonna open the box that is out this month and then we'll take a look and see what's in July. So like I said, it's a candle subscription and I love it. Did I say that? I don't know, but Vellabox is a candle subscription. I freaking love it. I love it so much that I kindly do get this sent to me in PR, non-sponsored. I do have a link with them, an affiliate link I will leave down below, and a promo code to save you $5 off any of the subscription plans. So definitely take advantage if you're interested. But like I said, I get this in PR and I also get a paid box. I like it so much and I love their candles. So you get an amazing candle. The pricing starts at $10. So there's a $10 box, a $20 box, a $30 box. They all have names. The $30 box is what I get, and it's the Vivere box. And the price difference gives you different size candles. So the more expensive it is, the bigger candle you get. And there is a scent profile, so you get to personalize it. And the candles are so good, you guys. They come from local artisans. There's a new candle maker every month. They're made in small batches, hand poured, free of toxins. The burn time is amazing, and most importantly, they smell so freaking good. So I am so excited. Let's get started with the August box, and again, I will link them down below along with that promo code. Such a great gift idea if you're ever like looking for a last minute gift, or like you can get like a 3 or 6 or 12-month subscription plan. They also have a shop on their website too, so they're very eco-friendly, eco-conscious, and they use all recyclable stuff, small boxes. Love it. And there's always an extra goodie that comes in each box, and also they give you a Spotify playlist that goes with the candle theme that month, and a little art print if you want to use this. And that canvas bag that holds the candles, it's just so good, you guys. So friends are the flowers in the garden of life. Oh, I love that. Ooh. Ooh, I know what our little extras are, and they're so cute. We're gonna do that last. So here's our candle. It comes in this canvas bag. So each month, typically we get a different design in the canvas bag, so you can repurpose this in some way. And then we have this little piece of paper here that talks about where our candles came from. So Resolute Candles is the featured maker for August, and they are based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. I've been there once. It was nice. I had a fun time. It's a cool city. Ooh, I'm excited. So I'm not going to read all that, but you could scan that if you wanted to go to their website. But let's get this candle out. So this candle I got this time is from the Citrus family. So I haven't gotten my paid one yet. I'll probably open that in like a multi-boxing because I think it might be a different one. I tried to pick a candle that I wouldn't get in PR. So, because usually I get the same ones. Like July, I got 2 boxes. I just looked and they were the same. But anyways, let's see what we have. Olive Oil Botanica. Isn't this a cute label? Ooh, so it's a soy wax candle, 16 ounces. And it says here, located in Indiana, poured with toxin-free ingredients, of course. The notes here are citrus, dew, lavender, green stems, herbs, pepper, patchouli, and musk. Ooh! And it also says here, I love this, clean burning, hand-poured, and woman-owned. I love supporting small businesses and woman-owned, definitely. Oh. Oh, the wick just hit my nose. This smells really good. Okay, so I'm not the best at describing scents. It is a light citrus scent, though. I can kind of smell the olive oil. Is it? It doesn't even say that. It's a no. I kind of get that though. Okay, so we'll have you take a whiff in and I'll read the description since we don't have smell-o-vision yet. You can get an idea of what it smells like. Ready? This candle evokes the serene atmosphere of a Mediterranean garden with refreshing light citrus notes laced with soothing botanicals and earthy elements. As the candle burns, it envelopes your space in a tranquil yet invigorating ambiance. They just described it so well. That's seriously what it smells like in the Mediterranean. Oh my god. Kind of takes me back to Amalfi Coast a little bit. Oh, I love it so much. It's very refreshing. I don't know why I'm like, here, take another sniff. I love it. Now let's look at our, oh, this definitely reminds me of Amalfi Coast. But anyways, let's look at our little extra, which is 2 Swedish dishcloths. Okay, so it's oranges, but I thought it was like lemons for a second, which is Amalfi Coast. This is like Florida. Yeah, look how cute these are. So these are made by Vellabox. These are great to replace, like, oh, here are lemons. I did see lemons out the corner of my eye. Ooh, blueberries. Amalfi Coast. These are great to replace like, your paper towels. You can use these for cleaning. They're like better at cleaning certain things. If you haven't heard of these, Swedish dish towels. Awesome. We got 2 of them. So they have a $10 value. Yeah, I'll read what it is in case you're unfamiliar. Enhance your kitchen cleaning routine with a stylish set of 2 Swedish dishcloths designed to replace single-use paper towels. These durable, reusable dishcloths can be used for 6 to 12 months, are machine washable up to 200 times, and don't crumble or pill. They can absorb up to 20 times their weight in liquid, dry quickly to prevent bacterial growth, and are safe for use on all surfaces. They're awesome. I'm so excited to have some. And our Spotify playlist is Garden Party. That sounds perfect with the theme. Experience the perfect soundtrack for your outdoor gatherings, featuring an uplifting mix of mellow tunes and vibrant melodies that create a serene and joyful atmosphere that can only be elevated by the company of close friends and family. I love that. So that was the August box. So if you subscribe now, you might still be able to get these. I'm not sure when the cutoff is, but that is the very current box that is shipping out right now. So now let's look at July's box. So we already have all the info. And now, like, if you guys are brand new to this, you can get a better idea of what comes in these boxes. So good. I also have playlists for all the boxes I open, if you didn't know. So here we have Wild Spirit, Soft Heart, Sweet Soul. Here is our canvas bag for the month. Cute. Delicate for some reason it's coming through. Oh, nice. Ooh, I think I know what the extra is, but we'll look at that in the list. So the candle maker, the featured maker for July is Aria Bella. Ooh, I like that name, Aria Bella. Based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Love that. So you can scan this here if you wanted to go to their store. And let's get this open. I'm excited. So this is a citrus and sweet and spice category for the scent profiles for this month. And we have mandarin and peppercorn. So here is the label. Notes are mandarin, orange peel, peppercorn. Again, this is a 16-ounce scented soy candle by Aria Bella. Ooh, this is the winner for today. They're both really good, but this is a stronger citrus. More orangey. Oh, mandarin. Oh my god, that smells so good. Yeah, this is the winner for today. But so we have more notes here. Orange peel, peppercorn, apple, mandarin, vanilla, and tonka bean. So again, I'm gonna have you take that whiff in. Shine bright and bold. Designed for the creative souls who pave their own paths, mandarin and peppercorn is a scent unlike any other. Light it up to brighten your mornings, spark creativity in your workspace, or give you a boost of confidence. Citrus notes do that. I feel like that just gave me a little oomph at like 3:30. Yeah, it's almost 4 p.m. I need that little oomph right now. Ooh, I like this one. Yeah, I like both. This is just a lot more subtle. But again, it says something about when you light this envelopes. They're both really good though, but I think this is my favorite for the day. But let's look at our extra. It looks like we have a tote bag. Let's see what's on it. Oh, and it has Vellabox stuff on it that like matches. How cute is this? I like this size because most of mine are like super huge and I don't always need that size when I'm shopping. This is super cute. I really like this. So Matchbox pattern tote, $12 value. So cute. And you can get this on their website, by the way, the extra goodies that they show. This is funny. Ignite your everyday style with a striking canvas tote bag, adorned with a unique matchbook and matchstick pattern. Crafted from durable, high-quality canvas, this bag is both a practical and playful choice for daily errands or spontaneous adventures. I love that. And the playlist, Wild and Free, a vibrant collection of tracks that evoke the spirit of adventure and the joy of living unrestrained. Each song is a celebration of freedom, featuring upbeat anthems and liberating melodies that inspire you to break away and embrace the wild side of life. Listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. I love it. I love Vellabox so much. So you guys, if you've been like wanting candles or wanting to give someone something, and you also like eco-friendly products that you can get that you'll actually use, you know, I think this is so great. I highly recommend. Again, link and promo code down below. Thank you, Vellabox, for sending me your box. I love it. And thank you guys for being here. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. And it's 11:11 on the clock right now, so make a wish. I love you guys. Bye.